we're going to be flushing your water heater. This will prolong the life of the water heater as well as clear out any sediment that might be built up in the bottom. So with the normal garden hose, we're going to go ahead and attach it to these threads here on the drain itself. We want to make sure that makes a nice and tight seal so that way we don't end up with any leaks. Then with a pair of channel locks, a few good torques, just like so. Then with a flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and open that valve there. So you hear the water coming out, you know it's flushing. And that pretty much is all to it.